flying all the way in from the back. His name is Phil.
Oh.
That's right. So everyone, this is Phil. He is a potty dog ibis. And they get that name because they make a three-part call. And it sounds a little bit like potty dog. Now Phil here, he only does a two-part call, so we just like to tell everyone that he introduces himself. This is how to be fun, ladies and gentlemen. He's just showing off for you today. So Phil, would you like to come back down? Awesome job. So as you guys can see, Phil is an excellent flyer. Now this animal comes all the way from South Africa, and they're actually found in people's backyards, believe it or not. So you guys have probably seen mockingbirds and grackles in your yard. If you lived in South Africa, that would be Phil in your yard. And it won't just be Phil, it'll actually be about 30 of him and his friends. And they like to be called the alarm clock of the world because he's going to be nice and loud for you and make sure you are up in time for your job. Coming out is Sheldon. Does anyone know what Sheldon is? He's an armadillo, that's correct. So Sheldon here is what we call a six-banded armadillo. And I told you he comes from South America, but he does have a very famous cousin here in Texas. Does anyone know what it is? A nine-banded armadillo. So nine-banded armadillos are the only species of armadillo that come so far up north that you can find them here in Texas. All other armadillo species are found in Central and South America, including our six-banded here as well. So when I'm talking about bands, I'm actually talking about these bands of skin on his back right here. So armadillo means a little armored one. You can see that nice armor plating. But if you didn't have that skin breaking it up, you'd be kind of clunky like a tortoise or a turtle. And those skin bands actually help him be nice and flexible so he can move around in his environment with ease. Now he has all this armor plating from the tip of his nose to the tip of his tail, but his underbelly is still very, very soft. And so that is what he's going to protect from predators. So show of hands, do you guys think Sheldon here can curl up into a ball like you see in the cartoons? A few of us? Actually, Sheldon cannot. There's only one species of armadillo that can do it, and it's the little bitty three-banded armadillo. They are small and a little prickly, but she is Carolina.
Oh.
Does anyone know what Carolina is? She is a porcupine, that's correct. So you guys knew she's a porcupine right away because she's covered in what? She's got those spines on her body. They have a very special name. They're called quills. So those quills are what keep her safe out in the environment. Now, she has a few other things that help her, and one of the first things she's going to use is that coloration. So what color is Carolina? She's black and white, right? Well, that black and white coloration is actually a signal to other animals saying, hey, don't mess with me, I'm dangerous. So when you're an animal with bright colors like this and you don't fit into the environment, that means you can defend yourself. Mostly prehensile things. Give you a prehensile tail. A monkey has a prehensile tail. What about a prehensile nose? Do you know an animal with a prehensile nose? An elephant has a prehensile nose. And here's a tricky one. Does anyone know what on a giraffe is prehensile? No. Their tongue is prehensile. So when you're living in somewhere where you need off your high trees, you need a prehensile tongue to grab those bees off and eat them. She also lives in the rainforest with Carolina, but they're going to be living in different groups. So hopefully coming out here in a moment, I hear her now. We're going to be meeting Ruby. And I don't think you guys know what Ruby might be. I hear her. Okay. So this is Ruby, everyone. Tell me how she is. So here is called a green-winged macaw. And if you guys can tell, scientists worked really, really hard when they named the parrot species because she's a green-winged macaw because there's green on her wings, right? Now they do this with a lot of parrot species. So if I told you guys you're going to be meeting a scarlet macaw, what color do you would need? If you guys, how about a blue and gold macaw? Maybe blue and gold. Now we do have one tricky one. What if I said you're going to see a military macaw? It would be green. Sometimes we get the answer camo, but it would be a green bird. That is correct.